Just a quick introduction to slide sheets. In our current standard stock MediQuip catalogue, we've got lots of different sizes and types of slide sheets, so I'm just going to talk through some of them. The first ones I'm going to be looking at is our flat slide sheet. When ordering a flat slide sheet, you need to order two, because the idea of them is that they work together, they slide against each other. So I'll just show you those. So all slide sheets might come in different colours, so don't worry too much about the colour. But this is a flat sheet. As I said, you could always order two, because the idea is that they move against each other. With the flat slide sheets, both sides are as slidey as each other, so there's no right or wrong way up. These ones have handles along the side. You can use handles if you want to. I prefer not to, because I worry that maybe the stitching might come a little bit loose. But also, I prefer to have a really good grip of the slide sheet material rather than the edge handles. Also, if you've got a really good grip of that slide sheet, you can get your hands a little bit closer to the patient when you're moving them on the bed. So that's what our flat sheet looks like. As I say, they do come in different sizes. We also have slide sheet mitts, which are very useful things to have, and I would always recommend ordering a pair of these with every sling that you order. With these, they can be used to help put slings on patients, but they can also be used to help patients get dressed by putting them on an arm or a lower limb to help get clothes on. So don't cost very much money at all. You can order these from MediQuip. The next one here is a roller sheet. So this is quite a long one. As I say, they do come in different sizes. It's a roller sheet, and each side is as slidey as the other side. So again, there's no wrong or right way of having these. You can use them either way up. As I mentioned, we've got different sizes, so this is a slightly smaller one. Again, it's a roller sheet. It all depends on what you're using it for as to the size that you might need. There's no wrong or right way the material should be. But on this one, which is a little bit different to that blue one, that shiny side has got a tendency of being a little bit more slidey, so you might want to get those two material against each other. And then we've got our smaller roller slide sheets. Exactly the same material, so it doesn't really matter which way you have that one. And finally, another small roller sheet. Again, it doesn't matter which side is against which side, they're both as slidey as each other. So having a look at that MediQuip standard stock catalogue, you can choose which ones you want, whether it be big ones, small ones, flat sheets or roller slide sheets.